Many people format old hard drives and SD cards before selling them or giving them away. The assumption is that if they format this device, the data will automatically be deleted and there won't be anything left. But the real question is, will all of the data actually be deleted? So in today's video, I'm going to show you Wondershare Recoverit, and we will actually go through my SD card to see if all of the data actually gets deleted. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. Let's go. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm now logged in to Wondershare Recoverit. So as you can see, I'm in my account right now. I'm going to plug in my SD card in a moment. But before we start with that, let me just tell you a little bit more about some real world scenarios. So many people will accumulate these storage devices over time, and they will actually go and format the devices before they sell them or pass them on to the next person. And the assumption with this is that if you format a device, that all of the data will be deleted, but that is actually not the case, and many people are actually unaware of that, because if you go and you actually format a device, there will still be data available. So I'm going to go and I'm going to show you. Give me a second so I can plug in my SD card. Okay guys, so just to give you a quick bit of educational information, if you actually format a device, the following thing will happen. It usually will remove the file index and not actually the underlying data, and the only way that you can get rid of the overlaying data is if it gets overwritten. Okay guys, so data may seem recoverable until it is overwritten. So that means that there will still be data on the SD card or whatever device you are using until it gets overwritten. So that can also cause a privacy risk when you actually pass on a device. Okay guys, so I just inserted my SD card. So as you can see, it picked it up, SD card recovery. As you can see, a 29 gigabyte storage capacity, and we are going to run this scan. So there we go, start scan. You can see the node name and the files found already, so we can load that and we are going to do a scan. As you can see, a deep scan is happening right now. It is going to take a while. It's at 32%, so I'm going to give it some time to load and do the deep scan, and once that is done, I will get back to you with the data. Guys, so I just completed the scan, and as you can see, there are 94 files found on this SD card. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into these files. I'm going to go to the recovered file section, going to click on file preview, and then I'm going to show you the file that I actually put onto the SD card, deleted it, and that got recovered in this process after the scan. And now you can see that there is a file called lost files. That is a file that I put in there before I recovered it. And you can see that there's one video file, and I put it there specifically to test it for this video, just to show you guys that you can recover the files and how good Recoverit actually works. So this just goes to show how powerful Wondershare Recoverit actually is, because you can get back your data even if you formatted a device. And another great thing is they also have AI assisted file analysis and recovery suggestions. So AI can actually help you out by recovering some of your files that they suggest or that they think you should recover. And they also have that file analysis, which is pretty cool. So let's move on to the final part before we end off the video. Okay guys, so I hope that you have the data privacy awareness now after this video. So what happens is the following. I can actually tell you some of the risks right now. So privacy risks usually come when people sell their devices and they send them on to the next owner. It also comes when you have sensitive information that you did format, but you didn't fully actually get it off your device, and people can get access to those. Another thing that can happen is you can have sensitive information on one of these devices, like an SD card. You can format it, but it won't actually be deleted, and people can go and recover that, and they will have access to your private or sensitive information. So that just goes to show that is a privacy risk. So when passing on a device or actually selling it, you have to take extra precautions so you make sure that your data is fully removed. So that is why I use Wondershare Recoverit to make sure that my hard drives, my SD cards, and my USB sticks are actually fully clean and they don't have any data left. Okay guys, so there you have it. Formatting a device does not always mean that all of the data will be deleted. So if you want to know more and learn more about Wondershare Recoverit, click the link down below in the description of this video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.